guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. We are in the beautiful little Borgo of Orsomarso today. And I'm going to show you a little bit about the town. We passed by the market. There is a market today. It happens on Thursday mornings. And we're going to see this beautiful house that Lucia has. I really couldn't wait to see it because it's so cool and so charming right in the heart of Orsomarso. And as you can see, even with my reconstructed ankle, I made it here pretty well. So even for mobility impaired people, it might be okay. So let's go in and take a look. There's the via outside, and we just came up these steps here. And it opens into a beautiful, big room here, which I actually really like. It's very light and bright. And in the historic center, sometimes stuff can be very dark. This is nice. Over here, you've got a pizza oven or a bread oven, and you've got a fireplace down there, which is lovely. The windows, of course, do need to be replaced. They are the older windows. This is your kitchen area here. You're gonna have to redo that. Electrics, plumbing, I would think about redoing it because generally they do need some love in any case. Maybe not complete and total love, but they need some. Now, out this window, you've got the most spectacular view of this mountain. You are right smack in the middle of the Pollino National Park. And I'm telling you, it is just absolutely stunning. Orsomarso is one of the prettiest little borgos I've seen. So a big, bright, open space here. Very, very nice. Let's come through here and see where it leads. Here you have a bathroom. Not set up the way I would want it set up. It's a little dark because there's no electric, so please bear with me. But, you know, it looks like you've got a bidet down here in the toilet, and you've got the shower pan. I would put these closer together, make a much bigger shower pan, move the sink over here a little bit, and have room for a nice, good-sized shower with, you know, no shower curtain or anything, just one piece of glass. Put the toilet and bidet, or they have these new things, we call them butt guns, and it's basically a little hose that's like a bidet that's attached to the wall, and you just can use it without getting off the toilet. Sorry to get a little intimate into the personal details, but it is very functional, and it frees up a lot of space. You can get rid of that bidet and just put the butt gun up there, and then have room for another cabinet here if you want to. So that's what I would do in this space. It's actually a good sized space, and you could have a nice, comfortable bathroom in here. Now, you've got this funny room here. To me, it would be a walk-in closet and storage because it's kind of dark in here. The staining on the walls is not mold. It is just basically a form of stucco that they use to keep the mold down. So don't worry about that. It's not moisture damage per se. And there's a little window up here. But again, you could make it a guest room, but it's a little bit small. Now, here we are. This is kind of the nicest area that I probably would spend a lot of time because it's big and it's your bedroom. Look at that. You've got a beautiful balcony here. I cannot go out there, unfortunately, but it's lovely. And look at that's your view. If you love the mountains, you're really gonna love Orsomarso. There's a little bridge down there, a little walkway, and it wasn't much to get here. I didn't have to go up any stairs at all. So this is really gorgeous. Now, down below, there's a whole separate section, which is a little apartment, and it was very charming. I can't wait to go look. Let's go see. Okay, so I'm not gonna climb around on all these stairs because of the ankle thing, but I wanted to show you, that's the front door there. And they have like gentle stairs coming down into this area here. Now that right there, this was an olive mill. That was the wheel where they used to have the mule that would come around and crush the olives right there. So that's a little nod to the past. You could put a little fountain there or something as a way to make it a little characteristic feature. I'm so glad they left it because you don't want to take those out. They're really, really amazing. Now this space is lovely and it's huge. So you've got your kitchen. You could have your angolo kitchen here. You could have it as big as you want and put a dining table in the middle with a view out that gorgeous window. Look at these arches. And again, you've got this beautiful, beautiful beam ceiling. This is so pretty. I'm just over the moon about it. And I love the tile. They've got this sort of characteristic stone look tile, very easy to keep clean and really characteristic of what must have been here before. You've got this big sort of bedroom soggiorno area. And what I would do, you know, if you could live down here and then redo the top part, the ceilings and everything have been redone. So basically your floors up there are in really good shape. There's nothing to do there. And so the stuff that you're going to do up there is mostly cosmetic to my relatively untrained eye. I'm not an architect, I'm not a geometer, I'm not any of those things. But from what I've seen and from my experience, you know, you don't have a lot of structural stuff that you really have to do. I would make this a bedroom area, make it really lush and beautiful. And then over here you can have a little soggiorno. Very nice. And that could be a big built-in closet over there. You've got tons of space in here. It's just such a beautiful space. I really wanted to see this one because Lucia sent me pictures and I'm like, holy cannoli, we gotta go check this out. Now look at your beautiful view. You don't have a balcony here, but the window is very big. And look, oh, it is achingly beautiful out there. Just so pretty. Now here's the bathroom. It's a smallish bathroom. If you want, you could enlarge it. But what I would do, remember we talked about the butt gun upstairs. I would take out that bidet, I would move that toilet over, make a nice big shower here. So you have plenty of room and you have a toilet. You could move the sink over here a little bit and have a pocket door, which you already have, and move the sink over here, move this out of the way, and you would have a lot of space and you would have a much bigger shower, which I really, really like. The rest of the bathroom's in beautiful shape. The lighting is up, the tile is nice, everything looks really, really nice in here. But again, I like a big shower. Now, if you're not a big shower person, that's fine. This will work perfectly for you guys. So there you have it, guys. This was the monk hangout and the frantoio, which is the olive mill. It has been renovated beautifully into a characteristic house with these stunning beams. Again, all you would have to do really is put some cladding or something down below so that the humidity doesn't wick up and just finish everything off. But so much of the work has already been done. Now up on this staircase here, you've got this little shelf that goes across. You can use that. You can put shelving up there for storage. You have so many options here because the ceilings are so high and there's so much space. This is a beautiful place, guys. I think you're really going to want to come and check it out. See you soon.